So we're going to Canary Wharf and we're at Whitechapel. 4 minutes for my one. So the new Elizabeth line, I've been on this before with my dad.
This is the train to Abbey Wood. Next station, Custom House. Change for DLR.
I thought we got off at Canary Wharf, I was wrong. Right. Oh, it's raining. Any concert lovers? This is where you come for the XL. Look at those cranes. So I think the Pokemon bit is in there. It's 100 Disney exhibition is in there. So I think Pokemon is somewhere. XL London. Advertising it, as you can see. Which way now? Let's go then. So this would have been the cranes and so on. This is for the older boats, industrial area that you would have had. So along the Thames you would have had all the boats coming up with their cargo, tea, sugar, whatever they were importing and exporting. And even the building looks like a ship. It's got a nice monument there. What does it say? Got the docks there. Houses similar to what they've done in other cities like Amsterdam. This is Royal Victoria Square warehouse. We're going to make our way to the passport office. Need a new passport, run out of pages. Literally straight out of the train station and into Custom House for passport. Let's get this done. Yay! That's my passport done, so I can travel. Here we come, Europe. All these Pokemon bags. People have been shopping. And look at that queue. Absolutely massive. Goes all the way down there. Right, I don't think we'll go in. Nicer now. So that's the Sunborn Yacht Hotel. Basically a ship that's been turned into a hotel. So these are the Pokemon players. Let's go and have a gander and see what they're doing. Oh, let's go. Not sure who they are.
Well, bro, I need to send you.
I haven't been here for years and I just completely forgot that everything is underground and there's like a crossway to make it easy to cross from one side to the other, and it is just literally like a crossway underground because there's so much construction that was going on above ground. But yeah, so we go through to the other side and just see how pretty it is really and walk around. And that's the other exit as well. The shopping centre is underneath, underground. All your office buildings. We'll have a quick look. The weather was a bit hit and miss. We had rain, we had sunshine, but the whole purpose was to get my passport, so we're just making the most of our opportunities. Ben Area 1, this dog. Oh, how pleasant on a nice summer's day. Some sort of sculpture.
Yeah, it's coming from my life.
We'll have a picnic, relax. There's some areas that have, this is into a shopping centre. So you've got little glass domes on the other side as well that take you down, just provides light. And there's another dog. Okay. That's nice. Yep. Got another little doggy coming up. Oh, Pet Plan, that's who we're with for our dogs. It's to sponsor the guide dogs, that's what this is all about. Different ways to come here. Got these lime bikes again. But literally, this is it. This is Canary Wharf. That's the HSBC building. So that's the big one. We're walking to the river, towards the quay. Oh look, a dog and a rabbit, a hare. Let's have a look. What is this all about? Piece of artwork. 2020. There you go. Tandem Lovers, Canary Wharf. You right there, doggy? Oh, there's a seat for me. Shall I, really?
No.
You're embarrassed.
You want to go?
No, it's worn up. It's because you sat on it. It's solid. Go over there. Ale and gin, established 1873. Henry Addington, but it wouldn't be for posh people.
You was born, isn't it?
It would have been for the dockers. So yeah, I was born. Yeah, thanks. Attraction. Oh, here we are. Oh, I don't think we're going to go further than this because it's bloody cold. Put someone that's worse than me for photography. financial hub of London. Say the UK really. That's the ferry. Coming in. That's the Shard there. This is all going to be dubbed because of you. Dubbing all of it. In the summer you can actually sit and eat in these little bubbles even if it's raining. Yeah, at night time they're all lit up and beautiful. That's the gherking over there, isn't it? That's the River Bus Thames Clipper. Let's just ask them. Because I'm 100% sure this is included in the costings. Here we are. It says North Greenwich. What does it take you to? It takes you to Battersea and Royal Wharf. Hiya. Right, yeah, can we use this on our normal TfL Oyster card things?
Oyster card, yeah.
This will be nice on a winter's day or evening. A bridge that they used to use. Don't know if it's a swing bridge, but don't think it's used anymore. So with passport in hand, we make our way home. Hope you've enjoyed the day trip into London on an errand, but we've made the most of it and had a walk around Canary Wharf.